Hi folks, Chris in Arena Studio with another quick video for you. If you've recently got one of these things for Christmas or a birthday, or you just decided to have a go at one of these little bad boys, the guitar, then this is the video for you.
Stay tuned for more rock and roll.
Okay, so thanks for sticking around. First of all, if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'm going to keep putting videos on there for you, and it really makes my day when I get a little message that goes, ding, so-and-so is subscribed to you. So have a look at the little thing down below. All the description to all the links, the social media stuff is all down below there as well, so give that a check out for me, which would be brilliant. Right, so if you've got one of these things, I'm just going to run over some really basic, fundamental, first lesson bits and bobs. Really easy, some of these. Might sound a little bit like common sense as well. We've got the body of the guitar. We've got the bridge. The little white piece, or sometimes they're individual, that's the saddle. The strings, the obvious thing. Sound hole, fretboard, neck. The white strip with the little grooves in at the top is called the top nut. Then we've got the headstock, tuning pegs or machine heads. That's about it really for the bits and bobs to remember on the guitar. So the next thing that we are going to look at is the string names. The strings are numbered from the thinnest to the thickest, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the thickest 6th string, okay? And we name the strings E, A, D, G, B, E. So it's E, A, D, G, B, E, starting on the thickest string, going down to the thinnest. Now, there's a good way of remembering that. Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. Or the other one is elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Pretty cool. Might sound simple, but it works for me, trust me. So those are the open string names on the guitar. So the next thing that we're going to do is look at playing the first chord. Now I like to teach what we call the 1 finger per fret rule. It's a way of playing with a more efficient and effective way. Rather than actually going sliding fingers around, we would do this type of thing. 1 finger would cover 1 fret. I hope that makes sense. So now we're going to get you off and running with your first chord. We're going to take the first finger, we're going to put it on the 2nd fret, just behind the fret wire, on the A string, the elephant's and on there, and that gives us that note. Okay? And then we're going to take the 2nd finger, which is that one, and we're going to pop that on the string below, so we're going to be on the D string, and that's going to be on the 2nd fret, and we're going to pop them both on together, and we get, when we give them all a strum, a nice E minor chord. So that's it. That's your first chord. It's taken you probably about 3 minutes to run over the little bits and bobs on the guitar, understand what the strings are. Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you've also played your first chord using fingers 1 and 2. Alright, and the chord is an E minor. So that's a great little chord to get going. I'm going to try and put some real total beginner slots on for you as soon as possible with chords in the key of songs that you can actually learn all these chords, which will help if you want to get into songwriting, etc. And we'll get you off and running playing songs as quick as possible. Once again, give a thumbs up and a like and a share. If you're watching this on Facebook, you can share it and do all that stuff for me. If you're watching it on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back very soon with some more stuff for you.